Belt tensioning guide for the X2D. Always power off and disconnect power before maintenance. Locate the 4 screws on the belt tensioner at the rear of the printer. Use your 2.0 hex key to loosen each screw by only 1 to 2 full turns. Do not remove them. Now, manually move the tool head back and forth along the X and Y axes. Slide it as widely as possible through the full range of motion, repeating this 3 to 5 times to equalize the tension. Once finished, retighten the 4 screws at the back of the printer. Tighten the screws until they are firm, but do not over-tighten, as this can strip the threads or damage the tensioner assembly. While you may be used to manually tensioning all belts, no manual adjustments are required for the Z-axis belt during daily use on the X2D. To finish, perform a printer calibration to sync the hardware adjustments. Navigate to Settings, select Calibration, then Print Calibration, and tap Start. Your calibration workflow will now run automatically. Once complete, your printer is ready for use.